Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Vasken Hub, the knowledge repository, where we simplify complex topics and keep you updated with the latest trends. Today, we've got some encouraging insights from Binance CEO Teng about the recent downturn in the crypto and the equity markets. Let's dive into that and see what he has to say and what it means for you. But yeah, before we go, let's just see what's happening in the crypto market today. We head to coin market cap. You see today's prices. First of all, we see what is happening here is that the market is in a state of fear. You see, this thing is 31. It's fear, and that's one of the reasons why we are making this video, so that we will let our viewers know what is really happening and what we can do. Now, if you come down, you see Bitcoin as of the time of, okay, let me refresh the page so that I get actual, yes. So as of the time of recording this video, 5th August 2024, Bitcoin is trading at $53,661.20, and you see everything here is red. First, Bitcoin red, Ethereum red. Ethereum is at 2,410. You see BNB, Binance Coin is at $461.55. You see Solana, my favorite. Solana is at $131.19. Wow. So we see the outlook here is just everywhere is red. Everywhere is red. Look at it. Let's see. It's red everywhere. So this happened today. Let's see the chart for the Bitcoin BTC. Okay, let me refresh the page. Let me refresh. So let's look at Bitcoin. Still at $53,633.29. Okay, you see it's red, and you see this sharp bottom here. It actually came down to $49,413.63 around this time, this morning. It actually bottomed and started going up, it came down again, and see where it is right now. So this is what we have. Now let's go to the tweet by Richard Teng. Yes, Richard Teng, around 11:02 a.m. today, August 5th, 2024. This was his tweet. So you see that he tweeted about the market turbulence, and his message is clear: don't panic. So that's what it is. He said the recent sharp drop in crypto and equity prices are influenced by what? Macroeconomic factors. We do not believe it's indicative of a long-term negative trend. With potential Fed rate cuts and geopolitical volatility, there's still significant potential for market fluctuations. Remember to always do your own research and stay informed. Keep building. That's it. So you see comment after comment, So that's what we'll be talking about. And yes, the message is clear. He's explaining that the recent price drops in both crypto and equity markets. That's one thing we should know. It's not only in cryptos, it's across boards, and it's all influenced by broader macroeconomic factors, not necessarily indicative of a long-term negative trend. So that's it. Teng also points out a few key contributing factors to the current situation. First, geopolitical volatility, and he's saying that global tensions and uncertainties naturally impact investor sentiment, and that's true. So when significant geopolitical events occur, markets react. That's it. Markets react, and it leads to short-term fluctuations. Are we getting it? Another major factor is the Federal Reserve's potential decisions regarding interest rates. Teng also notes that potential Fed rate cuts would stimulate economic growth, but also bring some market volatility. This is an area we all must keep an eye on. Now, despite the recent drops, Teng believes there's still significant potential for market fluctuations. What does this mean? It means that opportunities are out there for those who stay vigilant and adaptable. Remember, the market's ups and downs are part of the journey. Are we getting it? As Teng emphasizes, it's vital for us as crypto enthusiasts to do your own research. That's what he's saying here. So do your own research and stay informed. You get? So staying informed and understanding the macro context can help us navigate through these turbulent times. Short-term volatility might be unsettling, but it also brings opportunities for those who are prepared. You understand this? So in times like this, some people are shouting, oh, they are losing money, while some people are actually strategically positioning themselves for what will happen next. So it's just all about information, staying informed, keeping yourself abreast with the happenings around the crypto space. So keep building, stay adaptable, and position yourself wisely. That's just it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. That's like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Vasken Paul for more inciting content. Stay positive, stay informed, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.